guys, yesterday we read a book called My Mouth is a Volcano, and I love that book because it's really important sometimes to control your volcano and not let it erupt. But I also think volcanoes are just really cool. So I have a job for you to do today. I want you to go over to our class webpage, okay? I want you to go to where it says websites. We're going to go to Pebble Go. Now you need to pay attention. Our username and our password are here, okay? That's what you'll have to type in. So you'll click on Pebble Go. You'll put in our username and our password that was on the website, and then go. When you get to the top, remember to type in volcanoes. V-O-L-C-A-N-O-E-S, volcanoes. And we're going to click on it. Once you are there, you're going to click on each one of the tabs and listen to information about volcanoes. Remember, it reads to you. You just have to click on the button and it'll read to you. Okay? And of course, watch the video as well. Learn everything you can about volcanoes, about what are they and what causes them, and volcano damage, and where are they, and studying volcanoes. Learn everything you can. And then on your Google Classroom, you will have this activity. So you are going to type in volcanoes can, what can volcanoes do? Make me a list. Teach me. And then you're going to do volcanoes have. What do volcanoes have? Teach me. And last, volcanoes are, If you don't know, then you go back to Pebble Go. And you listen again. Okay? That is your job today. Let's see what you can learn about volcanoes.